Okay, so now, with our eyes closed, let us become aware of the mind that is hearing the voice. And sense that you are conscious and awake, but that the mind whereby you are awake is one. And that everyone meditating right now can sense that they are awake and feel in their heart that we are connected all together in this great spirit. And now let us take some deep cleansing breaths, and in with our nose and out with our mouth. And with each inward breath, see your mind expanding and a great light in the center of your forehead, expanding. And as we exhale, feel yourself becoming relaxed, and exhale fully and release into the purifying breath of Mother Earth all of your limitations, all of your worries, all of your concerns and fears, all that withholds you from oneness, and see them dissolve and vanish. With each inward breath, we become more expanded and aware of this infinite mind within us. And with each exhalation, we become more calm, centered, and at peace. Now, let us become aware that the conscious mind, whereby we are observing our own breath, our thoughts, the voice, your body, that conscious mind is like an infinite ocean. And all these perceptions and all that exists in the creation, whether you perceive it or not, are like waves and ripples moving on this infinite ocean of mind, cosmic consciousness. And as such, all that exists is made of the same consciousness stuff of the vast ocean of awareness. And we become aware that our bodies, the earth, ourselves, the stars, the photons, all life, all that exists, all of this is emanating and manifesting from this unbounded conscious mind, which is the consciousness within us. It is never far away. It is always the essence of our being. Knowing this, let us very gently go deep in this quiet mind and let go of the surface of perceptions and thoughts, neither pushing them out nor embracing them, but relax and become aware of this infinite ocean of consciousness within us. And now go more deeply still. And it is pure light and consciousness. It is unbounded by space or time. It is unlimited and infinite. And because it is unbounded and infinite, it is at its fullness in every point in space and at every point in time. Because it is indivisible. It is the singularity. It is the oneness. It is the core and root of our being. Being thus aware of the true nature of our own consciousness, let us now see that our bodies are filled with this conscious energy and light. And see that the earth itself, that she is an awake, conscious being. And wherever you are sitting, see the energy and consciousness of the earth coming up through your bodies, through your chakras, into your mind, and then up through yourself into the world and space around us. With a steady vision, see that we are inseparable from the earth and one another. And we can see this conscious light and healing energy come up through us and heal each of us, and then open your heart and mind and see that field of pure conscious energy and healing spread to all those in the communities around you, washing away all that harms, denaturing and removing all that makes ill. And see in the heart of your compassion all those who are in illness, healed, enlightened, cleansed by this infinite pure ocean of conscious light. And as we stay with this meditation, let us very gently become aware that consciousness, the mind whereby you are awake right now, isn't limited to your body, but is in fact omnipresent. And because it is omnipresent, let us quietly intend, without straining, to rise upward above ourselves into the community above us. And let us see the countryside or the city around us. And as we rise upward into the sky, we send blessing and healing and light and love to all those around. And then as we rise further, we go higher, effortlessly, into the sky above us. And now we can see for hundreds of miles above the earth, and then thousands of miles as we rise upward through the atmosphere. And as we gain great altitude in our vision, we see in the center of our vision the entire earth. Our Mother Earth is an awake, conscious being. And she loves us, and we love her. And her love is the most pure and unconditional love. And we return that to her, infinite love, back to the earth and to her children, all who dwell on earth. And we feel that and we see it. And then we rise further into Father Sky, and we see Father Sky all around us. And it is infinite. And in truth, the cosmos has no beginning nor end, nor does consciousness. And so, as within ourselves, this infinite ocean, we are also one with the infinite cosmos. And as we gently float out into space, we behold the earth and the moon, and the sun, and Mercury, and Venus, and Mars, and all the planets. And we behold that each and every planet is an awake, conscious being. And some are male, and some are female, but they are all awake. And they are spinning in an ocean of light that is infinite, and that space itself is one and integrated with this cosmic mind within us. And we are one with that cosmic consciousness. And then in this state, we become aware, without straining, that there are extraterrestrial civilizations, some of whom have representation in our solar system, and some from galaxies very far away. And we connect to them as ambassadors from the earth to their people. And in universal consciousness, we establish universal peace. And we invite them to gaze upon the earth with us in this meditation, and ask them to send healing light and energy to the earth. And all beings, both extraterrestrial and celestial in the worlds of light, join us. And we gaze upon the earth with the eye of oneness, and behold the earth as this beautiful planet. And there are 8 billion souls who live upon her. And connecting to this infinite cosmic mind and all the beautiful and healing powers of the cosmos, and those are folded within each of us, we gently focus on the earth, and we see a ray from the infinite sun of cosmic being coming into the earth and spreading across the earth, healing the planet and humanity, and bringing us together as one people in one universe. And as we stay with this vision of constant streaming consciousness, we see the earth filled with joy, and the burden we have placed upon the earth being lifted, and humanity brought together. For this is the time of the great transformation, and this is how it will happen. All of us together, we are all one in spirit, in pure consciousness.